Vice Chairman of the Progressive Congress APC Edo Central Senatorial District, Chief Francis Inegbeneki, and other politically motivated attacks across the state, the deceased all face the full wrath of the law. The public relations officer of the Command, Chidi Nwanbuzor, gave the stern warning while reacting to seeming spread of violence in Edo State as the 2020 gubernatorial election approaches. Meanwhile, human rights activist Comrade Patrick Osage Eholo drew attention to the need for the political elite to show example of good sportsmanship, where all party members are carried along and not harassed or compelled for loyalty.
I don't want to agree that we are now back to Abacha era, because like they say, the worst democracy is better than the best military dictatorship. So I hope and pray that we don't create fear in people. Our state is very peaceful. I'm sure that there are few elements who are cashing in with these problems that the APC are currently having. And that's why I continue to repeat it, that it's a shame when the APC are total in control of the House, 24/24. Unlike the impeachment of Donald Trump, where you have 51 as against 47. And still they are able to disagree and agree for the sake of the country. So I want to say that we condemn it. Every peace-loving Edoma condemns the actions of these people. We are not sure who they are.
On his part, the police spokesperson of the Edo State, Chidi Nwanbuzor, in his reaction assured that the long arm of the law will certainly catch up with the perpetrators of the crime and warned politicians to play the game by the rules. He also passionately appealed to members of the public to assist the police investigation with useful information that can lead to the arrest of those behind the heinous act.
Explosion Ordnance Department, Explosive Ordnance Department, to come and sweep the compound. The men actually came and swept up the compound and discovered that there was no further explosive in the compound. The case is under investigation. The command is aware. We are investigating, and at the end of our investigation, we'll come out with the cause of what happened. We want to equally, at this time, appeal to members of the public, the good people of Edo State, to assist the command with useful information leading to the arrest of a suspect in this particular case. We thank God that no life was lost in.
As at the time of this report, it was gathered that a team of criminal investigation police officers have been deployed to apprehend those who are unleashing mayhem on the people in the name of politics.